A Calacanyelles,
dos joves estan atrapats.
s'ajuden per sobreviure.
El significat del penjoll
Desastres.
uns enamorats
Fent submarinisme.
tenen problemes.
Com ho solucionaran?
Doncs llegeix-te el llibre per saber què passa.
Hoping I'ma make it. It's a lot inside my mind, my life been super crazy. Ain't there one day my brother get up out them cages. You was there for me, I swear that if I said I need you by my side.